Sir, I wanted to say happy birthday again, and it is an honor celebrating with you anytime.
Thank you very much, Jamal.
What? I already said happy birthday. I don't need to make a speech.
So how's business, Jamal?
Fine, sir.
I hear there's been some demolitions in the market.
Not exactly the markets, just a few unauthorized structures along the way obstructing traffic. And so the government thought it was, time to take action.
I support their action. Now people can behave anyhow without lawless.
Sure. And quite frankly, for the first time in a long time, a lot of people seemed happy with a demolition order.
Hey, now, how's work been?
I always send in a report, and I make sure it's as detailed as possible. Sir.
I have a call to make. I want you gentlemen to enjoy yourselves. Eat as much as you want. And thank you for celebrating my birthday with me. It means a lot to me. All right, let me go. You take this call.
Professor. Come, guy, what's they doing? Eh? You and I know that your popsy will read every email and every letter to the last punctuation, but he just wanted to have a conversation with you, his son.
Table manners.
Table waiting. It says don't talk while eating. It didn't say you should not talk at all. What's your problem?
Everybody interprets these things differently. Shall we eat? You know what? I'm even done with this thing. Pretending to be eating something that is this tasteless.
What is this? Hey, now what's tasteless? This food is tasteless. This food where your chef wash and cook, now you say this. I beg, if they beef your popsy, don't add this food to them. She can't talk, say.
Are you coming?
As how?
Now. I'm going home. Are you coming?
Boy, just started eating now and your popsy will soon be back. You want to make a cup.
Yeah. Extend my greetings to her.
Hey, nah. So if I not drive now, if you just leave me, they go. Because I drive my motor, go shop this food. I'm not follow you, they beef your papa. Food is sweet, this time I do. People don't get father. You get father, they get near. I'm sorry. Maybe. Israel, you can't be telling me that now. You can't be telling me that. You want to send me back to my village. What kind of problem is this? Eh? How many days did I leave you in the shop that you can't even handle things? And you're telling me that... Shay, I don't... Coming back to tomorrow, 10 a.m. I want to hear good news. We'll leave my phone.
Jamal, how long are you going to continue like this? Without going to the hospital?
I'm fine, I beg.
You're not fine.
I'm fine now.
You're not fine and you're going to the hospital tomorrow.
Aren't you supposed to go and see Popsy tomorrow?
That can't wait. Your health can't wait.
So what do you want to tell Chief?
Then I'm taking you to the hospital.
Okay, I need that hospital because this teeth is killing me.
Yeah, and you should take painkillers tonight.
Come on, please make you. But this ones won't kill me. Eh? Small work while I give them. They mess everything up.
Well, you know how these people are now.
Hey? Let me see. How many needs the work? Oh, God, this teeth is killing me.
So you can get the prescribed drugs from the pharmacy.
Okay, we'll get it. Fine.
Okay, the meds will help with the pain. All right, he's not feeling it right now due to the anesthesia. But once it wears off, he will really, really need his medications. Okay?
I'll make sure you sit there. He won't skip anyone.
I trust you.
Uh-huh.
Hello, Sunshine. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Hi there. Is there a serve a cake today? As I was saying, in addition to the meds, make sure you use the warm water every day until the hole properly heals. Okay? Moving on, brushing twice a day is a non-negotiable, okay? All right.
You have to brush it. Okay, sir.
All right then, I'll go attend to other patients. Do have a lovely day.
Thank you. Thank you, Doc.
Take care.
You'll be brushing. I know you don't like brushing your mouth. No, taking the tea. Cool.
Honestly. Fully. Good evening, sir.
And, no. There's a seat.
I'd rather stand. I just came for the document.
Which of them?
The one my assistant brought earlier on.
Hey, Naya.
Sir.
Is work the only thing binding us now?
What else would you want? A rope? Have a good night, sir. See, you can't talk again, no. Can you see? Your mouth. You're running your mouth. Now you can't open it. So, doctor, are you saying that all the meat in the house now, I'll be the only one eating it because this boy cannot eat it. You can't chew. You can't chew now. God has caught you. God has caught you. Bele, is it really paying you like that? Okay, at least for the next, maybe I'll give you 6 months. You just be taking water.
It's momentary. The hole is healing pretty quickly. Yeah. Should be good to go in a few days. Thanks to Ina here, who I believe has been helping you.
They don't give me enough alcohols in that house. Eh? All you do is work. That's all he knows, though.
Right.
Not for him in your life. To give to you, I'm sure you can.
Oh my God.
Is everything okay? Doc,
Yes.
what's up?
It's sunshine.
Who's Sasha? Was that the girl who the nurse was passing with the other day?
Yes.
What's about him?
Nothing life-threatening. The thing is, she has been here for 2 months, and her bills were getting paid by the hospital's foundation. But now, they expect her to find her food.
Which is okay. Like, they've been taking care of her since now. So what's wrong with that?
Yeah, but she doesn't have anywhere to go.
I'm sure she had a home before she fell ill, right?
Abi?
You're correct. But Sunshine had a car accident.
Yeah.
Which as a result suffered from retrograde amnesia.
Wow.
It's the type of traumatic brain injury that she sustained.
So are you saying that she can't remember anything?
Her doctor says that she's actually getting by quickly. Yeah, and besides, it's not a very severe case. Recovery could take weeks, months.
Even years, because it's amnesia, right?
Well, her doctor will have better answers.
Well, true. I wish I will. Doc, I need to get this man home. I need to go to the office.
All right.
We'll see you again.
Okay.
Well, let's go now.
Yeah,
Thank you, Doc.
All right, then.
Take care.
Take care.
thank you so much.
Take care of yourself. Have a good day. All right, bye.
No, now.
Hear me now. Wait,
Abeg,
first.
abeg, abeg.
What are you saying? Talk finish. Don't the guy
There's nothing for you to say.
Relax first. Make I explain this thing.
What are you
give now.
explaining now? Make it make sense.
This thing catapults me enter generational wealth now. Eh? Relax.
So bringing a girl home that you don't know from anywhere will catapult you to generational world. Make it make sense to me.
You know they watch film.
What has the movie got to do with this?
For film, there will be an accident, for example. And then the person that's in the accident will forget everything that he or she has in their head. And somebody comes around, helps them through that situation. Then when their memory comes back, they now reconnect with their wealthy family members. And then in turn, they will now say the person that helped them through that phase.
Okay, let me even explain something to you that you don't even understand.
Split.
People that have memory loss, it takes years sometimes for it to come back.
I'm making my patience. I need my patience. I'm a patient.
How are you even sure that this girl is wealthy?
You which kind poor man picking one day gets that kind of sickness? Now which people picking? Why you talk like say you know those get sense?
See, this doesn't make sense and I'm not with you on this thing. This is selfishness and deceit.
Who knows selfish? Me and you be selfish. The full Nigeria they selfish. Every time we go they pray the kappa, God do for me, do for me. No be selfishness with that.
Okay, don't even do that. People that pray and fast, they do it because they want to get close to God.
So you believe that's the way to stop me?
Of course.
You believe that, sir? Okay, let me say you believe say I get land for Banana Island. Do I was there for you for 1 million?
I'm not doing this thing with you. I'm not doing this thing with
Hear
you.
me now.
I am not doing this thing with you.
Choppy, you know you are not doing.
In fact, we're not doing it.
Hey,
Fine now.
You know, look me in the eye and tell me that you're not doing this.
I said we're not doing
Save
it.
your rubbish.
Jamal,
Come on for you. Enemy of progress.
I don't understand. Just want to carry a random girl say generational wealth. What is wrong with you? This guy insult me. Jamal, is that you're going to keep ignoring me? It's 2 days now, you're still doing this thing. Jamal. Shush. Alpha.
Come on.
Good morning to you to come here. You can bring your girlfriend or your investment home now. I already spoke to Dr. Femi. He says we just need to sign a few papers and then she can come home with us. But they have to come and check on her every 2 weeks to make sure she's fine.
My God!
Stop, Joe.
My bro!
Oh, now you're not throwing tantrums again.
If now you go throw tantrum. You won't spoil my bag. But when we carry the girl come us?
I just let your blood. Don't let it go up. They'll call us and they'll tell us when she can come.
Correct guy. Correct.
Stop. Let me go and get ready for work.
If you don't be saying this sweet man for them, I will not hug you. Bad guy. What's spoiled my bag before? You're welcome to his. Have your seats.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. You are welcome. Let me take her bag out. I'm going to take your bag to the room.
Thank you, sir.
He's Jamal and Amy now. You don't need to call us sirs, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
What do you want to watch?
Anything.
Okay, anything. Let me see what we have here. By the way, your name, Sunshine, that's a very nice name.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jamal. That's the name the nurses in the hospital get to know.
Yeah, Mr. Femi mentioned. Said the nurses called you Sunshine the first time you smiled at them. And very befitting, by the way.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, it's Jamal.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Jamal.
Yeah. We can keep changing the channels if you don't.
Okay, this one is okay.
This is good? Okay, I'm fine.
Maybe we get a drink.
Yeah, I should go get you juice. What?
Okay. That's fine. Thank you.
I can get you.
Thank you.
About I need your help. Huh? Come help me for kids. I don't know where the doctor told them. Do you know these things get that? I don't know where you get this. I'm coming, Sunshine.
Okay.
The juice. There is that.
What are you doing?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. It's Enyina, not sir. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
I told you we have someone that does this. Person comes twice a week. You don't need to do it. Let me have it.
Sir, you don't... Sorry. Elena, don't worry. I'm not complaining, okay? I can do it.
You should give it to me.
You don't worry.
I'm going to work.
All right. Take care.
You should stop cleaning.
When I'm done.
Have a good day.
You too.
So where we wash my plate?
Top off for
Investor Jamal.
My guy.
How far now? What's the plan?
Trump, what's the plan? Which one?
You've not been going to work, or you've been hardly going to work for the past 2 weeks. You've been doing police work.
We don't feel leave Sunshine for us.
We.
Yeah, no verse, I don't feel leave Sunshine.
So how is she doing?
I was doing all right. They go, Sham.
Okay.
By the way, your popsy called you.
Thanks for the plate.
What thing they really do? They swear for you. I mentioned your popsy name, you go, they run, they come out. Why you they live like that?
You should always learn to brush your teeth before you sleep, okay?
Don't talk this thing for Sunshine in front. Before she can say I'm not testing. Which kind of talk with her?
Just give me an advice.
I don't give you message. Say your popsy call you did. So on the Chris. So I tell you, say your person call. I'll talk with your popsy do.
Hey,
Evening.
how are you?
Pretty good. How was your day?
My day was decent. Stressful, but was okay. I got you this.
Are you paying me for cleaning?
Come on. It's a kind gesture, which you should accept.
Just kidding.
Ah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Oh, what do we have here?
Is Jamal back?
Nope.
Are you? Is... You know what? Never mind.
Yes, it is. I am reading. And don't worry, okay? I'm not stressing my brain or anything.
I didn't want to sound dumb, so I said let me not ask any questions.
Hey, nah. Never be afraid to ask questions. The only dumb questions is the one you don't ask.
Oh. Okay. Thank you for teaching me that.
Yeah, right.
Enjoy.
You too.
Come in. Hey, bro.
How far?
How far now?
What do you? What's your day?
Not bad. I was just...
I survived Israel and those boys. They won't kill me. All right. Sunshine told me that you bought her some stuff.
Yeah, I did.
All right. Thank you.
Thank me for what?
I mean, for, caring for her.
Jamal, is there something you want to tell me?
Listen, don't take this the wrong way. Right, but please, can you stop doing stuff for her?
I should stop doing stuff for her.
Yeah, stop buying her stuff. Stop caring for her. The goal is for me to get to know her better and build some sort of relationship with her. And if you keep doing that, it's never going to happen. So, I mean, don't take it the wrong way.
No worries. I get it. I'll keep my distance.
Right. I'm just going to go to the living room.
Okay.
Are you coming? Are you going to watch the match?
Yeah, I will. Let me shower.
Right. See ya. Have you enjoyed your meal?
Yeah, I did. Thank you.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Aina.
Hmm?
I have doctor's appointment today. I was wondering if you could take me there.
So I have a client's meeting today, and I'm not sure I'll be back on time. But Jamal is available. You're available, right?
Yeah, you're sure, of course. Always available.
You can take it.
Thank you, Jamal.
Yeah, that's good. I go now. It's faults. Yeah.
Adanaya. Kedu? Adịkwa m mma. N'akara m okwu nkote. Yes, I've been keeping the appointments. I feel better with every new day. No, I don't know. That would be too hard. Too hard. Huh? You forget who I am. I'm a titled man. Ugundibo. I can't be going for a spa. You want somebody non-answer to touch my body. You know what that means? You know, I'm a traditionalist. No, even if you are paying the person to come to the house here. I don't know, Biko. No. I'm good. Engineer and I are good. We have learned to take it one day at a time. Jamal is the one who comes often. Well, it's okay. Send my regards to my grandkids. Before I forget, tell your husband to call me tomorrow. Yeah, something very important for us to discuss. I don't know. All right. Dalo. Onyama. Thank you. Chukwu will continue to bless you. Dalo.
Mama, I don't even know the... Mr. Ikoku.
I'm fine. What's going on?
How you doing now? Bad guy. I've been seeing some kind art brush, paint, all those things for this thing. You won't start art class.
It's for your woman now.
Why you they buy art things for Sasha? What's happening?
So I noticed she likes to watch a lot of visual arts, you know, all those creative arts things. So I said, okay, let me get her all those things so that she can use.
Maybe good person. You know, I never ever noticed anything for that game. But
it's called paying attention to people around you.
I'm not first. Now my shop and my business. I ain't get my full attention. I'm joking.
This guy.
Yeah, so what do you can't use those things though now?
You present it to her and tell her that, oh, you realize that she likes art, and then you give her now.
Great guy. Bad guy. Intentional man. You know what? I go present them. Abi?
Present it.
Don't worry. When this our investment yield, I will see you.
Can you not refer to it as an investment?
You know what? I go present gifts. Correct guy. Person supposed to get like 7 of you. If I get like you into 7 places to go,
I'm busy.
My life goes.
You're distracting me, I beg.
No verse.
This song.
So, is it too loud?
No, it sounds familiar, like I've heard it somewhere before.
Okay. Like, something you've always known. Okay.
Yeah.
Like what? Hey, are you okay? Hey. Are you here?
Yes.
This song, actually, this song, right, is one of my mom's favorite songs. There's a way to dance to it. You want to show you?
Sure.
Okay. So, so it's like you're tangoing. Your hand here. You come like that. Move from side to side, side to side, side to side, like that. Then go forward.
Wait, you're just teaching me, you're rushing me.
Okay, let's
Slowly.
go. Side to side, side to side, side to side.
There.
That way, when you lean backwards,
Okay.
Like that.
Wait, let me try and do it.
Okay.
Side two.
Easy, easy. Hey,
Sorry.
are you okay?
Um,
You want me to get you water? I'm sorry, I shouldn't have put you through all of that. Do you want to get you water or something? Huh?
Hey guys. What's wrong?
She also,
almost fell fine for your brother that I grabbed me.
Yeah.
We did that. So,
Sorry, you all sit.
You almost fell. Fair. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my guy. Sorry, let's go. Let me take you to your room. Need this for him. Sorry, eh? She almost fell.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear.
Please come in.
Thank you.
What are you doing here?
And you know, get it?
Sir, would you like to sit?
That won't be necessary. He won't be staying long.
but you don't even know who he is or why he's here.
I do.
My name is Chief Ikogu. I'm Enyina's father.
Good afternoon, sir. Please sit down. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Yes.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, what would you like to have?
Anything with alcohol.
Okay, sir. I'll get it now.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. I'll get it now.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Welcome. You may consider taking a seat or join your friend to know what she's offering me. Hmm? Oh, yeah.
Someone's gonna take that.
That was intense.
Where are you guys coming from? I woke up and I didn't see anybody.
Jamal and I went for a round.
In the estates, Abby?
Which estates? No, like Oimbo.
Equal what?
Do you want to go freshen up? Yeah, cool. See you. Why you dey shout? Wetin happen?
What do you take her to Ikoyi?
Baba, calm down. You go let swallow spit.
Someone that is just recovering, you're carrying her to
I
Ikoyi.
say, may you relax. We no really jog for here, reach Ikoyi. We drive, enter motor, we drive, reach there, park motor, come down, do light work, light jog, enter motor. Come
So let me understand. This estate now is not big enough. You have to take her to Ikoyi.
Who wants to see her for this estate?
See, I'm like, how?
But they can't go where money dey, where guys dey, where men dey. So as all those are rich family members or our God, they see and they go say, okay, this girl, she be lost. We don't find her. That can't be.
Okay, Arise News. Are you listening to yourself?
I dey hear myself, but you can't try say you no get sense. Don't be our plan be this.
Your plan, not mine.
I don't hear. Na my plan. But this girl don't hear 2 months. Nobody don't even come knock. Say, papa, they find person.
Jamal, this thing doesn't work like that. See, fragments of a memory will start coming back.
I no get time for fragment. No, they speak Shakespearean English. Give me. I no get time for fragment. Everything they join together, I'm come up for here. See that fragments.
You know you're very impossible, right?
I agree. And my name be that. I should don't go Ikoyi this weekend. Next weekend, I VIV. You understand? She foresee people way go recognize them. They talk like say it's. I want to ask you, that your guy, we do that contract. Now I'm go doing this there. But follow me talk now. No be my go doing this.
I thought you were a patient investor.
No one tell me, Abi. I go find out. That's what thing. It's like say no be me and you plan this thing. No, they do that.
Plan anything together. This girl's brain will just blow like this.
I suppose blow so as happy people go see signal. No say okay, my person lost now won't find her. No be waiting we could be plan. What do you do like say you be the shake? Kanda, who they ask? See, you even broke. I define all some money. You no get money to buy juice now. I beg.
I had to go to Ikoyi. You know, sometimes I do like 30 minutes run. I mean, not 30 minutes the whole time running. I could do 15 minutes run, then another 15 minutes long strides. Yeah.
That's fine. Probably because you're a man. I'm getting to how much longer do we have?
In about 15 minutes, you'll close this round.
Okay.
Why are you looking like that? You look like you're not enjoying it.
It's cool, but I get tired easily. And again, Jamal, I don't know. He's just somehow, I don't have any conversation to hold with him. He's always busy, either on a call with his clients or Israel.
Jamal and work, 5 and 6. Can separate them.
But you do love your work, just that you don't like talking about it.
I mean, there are other things to talk about than work. Life is all about work. You should learn to live a little.
Yeah, I agree. No, go on, you can pick it. I don't mind.
No. See, life isn't always about work. Like closing this ring is more important than this call. So let's go. Should we run?
I'm tired. I'm running. I'm tired, please.
I don't understand.
Do not be afraid, okay? You are in the right house.
Well, Shadi, what are you doing here?
Well, I got tired of staying at home. So I decided to come pay my friend a visit.
Wait, your friend? My father is your friend.
Yes.
How?
He gave me his card the last time he came to the house and said I could come around at any time.
He did?
Guess what? Thankfully, I came on time. Because when I came, your father was about passing out.
What's wrong, man?
His BP. His BP is really, really high. But I've taken care of him. I gave him his med. Put him to sleep.
Thank you. Anyway, he...
Thank you. That's what friends do.
So we're friends now, huh?
Mm-hmm. Your father and I are friends.
Right.
Welcome.
He needs to sign these things.
Not now, please. This one can wait. I'm not gonna let anyone disturb my patient. Please, not now. I'm coming.
Anyway, are you done? So that I can come back to sign this one.
Of course not. I have to wait for my patients to be fine and awake. What do you want to watch? Do you want to watch something?
Do I want to watch something in my father's?
Oh, look, I know it is your father's house, but it is also my friend's house. His house. And he said I should make myself comfortable. So what do you want to watch?
Whatever you want us to watch is fine. In your friend's house.
Yes. Okay, so here's the series. Good evening. I'm actually setting up the dining. I'm setting. See, okay. You work like that.
Listen, do you honestly think that Chief cares about some deal in comparison with you, his son? This is just a deal. Think about it. The same chief that picked up a 15-year-old boy that was running after cars in traffic, trying to clean their windscreen and collect 20 naira, 100 naira, 50 naira. Picked that boy up from the streets and sent him to the best of schools with his 2 biological children, so much so that he could hardly tell the difference between them. That same chief. Listen, I understand that your relationship with Dad is not in the best place, but don't make it look like he's the reason why you're sulking. Because he's not. I'm sorry that this happened to you. You're going through this, but suck it up, okay? You're too smart for this. Other deals will come. Nobody died, for peace sake. Do you want to eat something?
I'm good. Thanks.
Ooh,
Done?
thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Yes. How are your friends?
Oh, they're all fine. They were not at home when I left.
Have you thought about what truly excites you?
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm not sure.
All right. Let's hear what you're sure about.
Maybe organize an event. I think I like whatever brings people together.
That's a valuable one. Have you considered exploring a career in events planning or hospitality management?
I'm still unsure about where to start.
Start by researching local events or hospitality groups. Maybe you can do kind of professional shadowing.
Okay.
I could provide some contacts,
No. Don't worry, sir. Don't worry. I still have a lot of things to put in place before I start making decisions for that.
All right. Let me know when you're ready. I want to assure you, you will always have my support.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
But before you take any decision, I want you to set a goal. Identify 3 prominent areas that you want to explore. So we will reconvene on this. For now, let's enjoy the show.
All right.
Feel free. If you want a drink, go get yourself a drink.
Okay, sir. After the show.
What? No, now. Don't piss me off any further. What is this nonsense? No now. Haba. Come on. Come in. Come in.
Hi.
Fella.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Jamal told me about the deal. I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay.
You want to eat something?
No, I'm good. I'm fine.
Aina, you haven't eaten for the past 2 days. Please eat something.
You don't need to bother yourself about that.
Please, I insist.
Okay, thank you.
I'll get you something too.
Fola. Yeah, I don't even understand. Like,
Calm down now. Waiting be that. Shebi doctor say she will be fine. What else are you looking for?
but should I have spilled the drink? It's just my anger, my clumsiness.
Hey, but you spilled the drink. Person, relax now.
Why are you not even bothered?
I'm bothered. I'm not just beating myself up about it. What is it? Don't go hospital. Doctor says she'll be fine. You say, calm down. I won't go back. I have to go back and see her. Might be water for you.
Leave me.
Go like calm down, relax. Not be Jesus.
Yeah, come on, man. You know what this girl has been through. She just cleaned it.
I'll never forget this day. With every breath of life in you, I'll love you forever. Ooh, let me show you how I feel. The most beautiful you are, and my heart will go on with you. I'll never forget this day. With every breath of life in you, I'll love you forever. Let me show you how I feel. The most beautiful you are, and my heart will go on with you. Ooh, I love you, I love you. Ooh, I love you. Ooh, I love you, I love you. Ooh, I love you. I'll never forget this day. With every breath of life in you, I'll love you forever. Ooh, let me show you how I feel. The most beautiful you are, and my heart will go on with you. I'll never forget this day. With every breath of life in you, I'll love you forever. Let me show you how I feel. The most beautiful you
Spend the money and the step aside. And take a deep breath and give real honey.
Yeah.
Sweet.
No. This
My
fine.
guy.
I'm on the phone.
My guy.
Who else now?
My guy.
Your brother.
Your belly. It's
your brother.
You'll be about my people.
All right. Say hi to John at the kids for me.
Who that?
Your sister saying I can greet you.
My other.
It's in the apple where they drink champagne.
My guy. The Lord has done it. Fine.
Let's say don't make sales for
My guy. This one, nothing won't pass this one. No deal with this life won't pass this part.
Oga talk.
Guy, I'm working on sunshine. Come on.
Wait.
Come on.
Sunshine? What happened?
I should remember things so.
Yeah, of late she's remembering things, right? Like colors, songs.
Try and be color, try and be son, I be risky, I be artist. Wait till concern because I will do so. You want to wait concern me now? Wait till she dey remember. Guy.
Okay, wait till she remember. Whose address is this?
Her address. This is not her house address.
No
be that.
way.
Wallahi.
No way.
Wallahi.
This is good.
Yes.
We just need to give her time that she'll start to piece things
Try and
together.
be time. I resemble timekeeper. You say time. When they go house like this tomorrow, you say that.
Who are the we?
Who try and be who are the way? Me and you now. Who go dey my back when they introduce me give in-law?
Which in-law? What are you saying?
As best man now, you go dey back.
Oh God, this thing where they talk, I beg.
Hey, you know now. Why you dey do like say no be me and you?
No,
They say,
Allah. So we're going there.
we'll go there tomorrow.
Real time.
That kind of afternoon time. Go stomp the yard. Yeah, my guy. Hey!
I'll make myself.
Hey! I don't turn below.
So I see this.
Before, Me and Dangote don't turn guys like this. Now for you, they play. See this guy. You don't like him? Baba, they come open this thing, drink, and they come.
Okay, but you can't put only one glass.
No verse.
Yes, now the map says that we are right on track now.
Which one more right on track?
See now.
No.
Chubby, no. Can you not see the map?
Yeah?
Okay, he's the do.
Sunshine, are you sure? Is this the right address? The right way to your...
Sunshine, we are on track, right?
Yeah.
It says we'll shut it there in another 5 minutes.
She say yes.
Yeah, that's what she's... Yeah, calm down.
Sunshine, it's like you sleep small and wake up, but I'm not sure that you know what you're saying. This cannot be that your address. Huh?
It is, right?
This is
Why you...
We're almost there.
I see the area now. This place is not safe.
It's the area.
You know they see Sunshine skin complexion. How person will get that kind of skin with
I'm
this
telling you, it's the area. Yeah, you there? The map says we've arrived.
Arrived where?
At our location now.
Which kind of nonsense? Sunshine, are you sure this is the right address?
Yes. This is home.
But no first now, yes, she talk. I've been on my ear looking.
She said yes now. For your people.
You're not Phoebe. You're not Phoebe this place.
Sunshine, sure you get down, go and see and check. Maybe so your people can let us in.
Okay.
Check that. Read that map. Check
Oga, see the map now. See it now.
No, it's weird.
Baba, go and meet your in-laws now.
Which kind of place should we be? This is not the same. This place not the same. This is same.
Go and meet your in-laws.
See bush.
Do you want to leave your wife stranded?
You give me wife for the place.
Yes. Get down, go and meet your in-laws.
Yourself, come down, come give me support, man. Make me. I did sure say don't be her own. When they laugh, this laugh, when they laugh. Come down, we will take this thing. Maybe her amnesia don't come back.
Get down now.
If I come down for this photo, move.
Now, let me pack properly.
You don't pack, Papa, come down. Yeah, Sunshine, come and sleep and wake up again. It cannot be.
Sorry, I go.
You said
in-law,
come down.
In-law, go down now. In-law. My in-law. Oh, Mom, which kind of place is this? My in-law. Now this is making you past 12 midnight. Oh God. Oh God. The boy for now.
What do you have for homework?
She sent messaging. She sent to you as well.
Which
I'm
message?
sure you have not responded.
What you did talk?
She sent text now. Have you responded?
What you did talk? Wait till customer, why I go respond? Those are one reason too.
Why are you mad at people? You will be the one to set expectations. They won't meet up, then you mad at them. For what?
If not you, uncle, you no go expect. Eh? That kind of sickness now, poor person is sick. I not be rich people sickness.
Stop talking like that. It's not the girl's fault.
Well, leave me. I don't want to hear this thing. I Sprig, not this speak English, man.
I know. This doesn't look like what you're used to.
What do you think I'm used to?
Glitz and glam.
Come on. This is glam enough. It depends on how you look at it.
Thank you. Thank you for the things you brought. You didn't have to.
Would I show up to a friend's house empty-handed? No. So you're welcome.
How is your dad? My actual friend.
Ouch. Okay, that hurts. He's fine. He asked after you the last time I was there.
When was that?
3 weeks ago.
You were really far behind because we spoke about twice or more.
Sorry, let me not get involved in your friendship. Whatever issues you guys are doing.
Stop.
See, spoke like 2 weeks ago. Okay.
I recently found out that I was working at an event company.
You recently found out or you remembered?
I remembered at first, but then I had to ask around just to be sure.
That's good. That's good. At least you're getting your life back together. That's impressive.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for spilling a drink.
We said we're not going to talk about that again.
Oh my God. Sorry. I zipped my mouth.
Yes.
Sorry. So what can I offer you in my new little cubicle? What do you want? What do you want to eat? What do you want to drink?
Anything you offer me is fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Sure.
Thank you. Let me keep this.
Brush your teeth.
Okay, that was the first, but yeah. How's your day? How are you?
It was fine. What are you doing here?
I think to see you. It's been a long time.
I've been busy.
I figured.
And how are you?
I'm great. I'm good.
Listen, I need to go and freshen up. I had a busy and long day.
Well, this is good. If you ask me, it can be better though.
So I can submit this like this. So this one you're saying it can be better. It's the best I want to. Don't know.
Okay, send it to me. Send me a soft copy. I'll look at it.
Okay. Well, now you're back. I honestly don't know, because when I get into Nassau, I have to go see the governor just, to see the man that Popsy said I should say. You know how government things can be. So most likely like a week, 2 weeks, tops.
Flash, I didn't go.
Oh, Sunshine. She did.
I overheard the way you spoke to her. Quite dismissive.
But please, I'm not going to fake love for anybody. Don't do that.
Oh, wow. Anyway, Lillian reached out to me. They said they're looking for an assistant for their event planning gig. So I referred her.
Oh, okay. Nice. I have to go and sleep. I have an early flight tomorrow.
No, well,
All right.
take it easy, man.
Your tatas.
First time I set my eyes on you, in my heart anew. My whole world brand new.
Hey, you.
Hi,
What's up?
I'm good.
You came?
Yes, I wanted to see you. Although I left early, but the traffic was crazy.
Yeah, I hear the brochure is in town, so traffic everywhere. Come on, let's go inside.
Wait,
What?
guess what?
What?
I got a job!
Oh my days, that's good. Good
I
news.
know, right? Why are you surprised? Well, you know the one that referred me.
But it's your brains and your expertise that got you the job, actually. So congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you for everything.
For nothing. I don't think you should go home tonight. It's late.
Right.
Stay here.
But where am I going to sleep?
This is practically your house. You can stay anywhere you want. Come on, let's go. What can you say? You can stay anywhere.
Okay, thank
So have they told you how much you're going to earn?
Yes, so I'll big money.
This is love. This is love. This is love.
Oh, what is this? Huh?
Hey, good morning.
Morning. You made food?
Oh, yes, I did.
What?
For nothing. You're welcome.
Looks yummy.
Wow.
Wait for you to serve it.
Asking me to leave a few things behind was really a smart suggestion.
Coming from a smart guy, what do you expect? Huh? This is really tasty.
Should I leave the keys at the usual spot when I'm leaving?
Why are you leaving?
I'm no longer a housemate here. Do you want me to stay?
I'm just thinking that, this place is closer to work for you than your house. You don't want to impress your new boss.
Eyina.
Hmm?
Do you want me to stay?
Yes, I want you to stay.
All you had to do was just say it and I'd have accepted. Well, I'll stay.
Tell me how you feel. Is it real? I don't wanna overthink. Is it all for show? I don't know.
What?
Feeling like I'm on the brink of
Not a
something
long day today.
beautiful, or
Yeah.
maybe terrible. I know I shouldn't ask you to be open with me when
Jay, oh yeah.
Oh, come on.
No.
Does it look alike?
Yeah, no,
Come off it. Is either you're playing spade or you're playing queen?
this is yours.
Go to the market. That's it.
You two don't even have it. I
But
beg, Jay. They are
What's
black.
it
It will
is?
go. It will
No,
go.
it doesn't go.
It
has
will
to be the
go.
same
They are two
thing.
queen.
No, which queen? Queen of where? Of Marina.
Oh yeah, play.
Can you see? Spade.
You're just doing Ojo in this thing.
You just-
I beg, General Market.
What are you playing?
This is pet. Okay, sorry.
What are you playing?
Oh yeah, no.
Enter market.
I don't really shuffle this card well.
No problem. Now you
No, I can't finish shuffle this card.
Now you have something to say because you're losing.
How come you have the whole game?
It's called later.
Collect you too. Collect it.
Collect.
Pick 5. Play. I beg, collect her.
Collect what?
Collect it.
Come on, take it. What do you think?
I beg, I'm not playing again. This is you have all the games. I don't have it. It's a lie. You have all the games. Pick 2.
You are losing.
Pick 2. I'm not losing anything.
No.
Pick 2. No, you must pick that 2. No. Pick the 2.
Which is my picking?
You pick the 2 now.
I'm cheating now.
You're the one cheating. I beg, pick 2. For starting this book, you're the one cheating.
This is wrong.
Oh yeah, pick the 2.
No.
No, pick the 2.
No, you are
Why are you saying that? Pick the 2.
See, listen.
Pick now. Pick.
I'm not playing game. Come on, play.
I'm not playing. Pick your 2.
Because you don't know how to
Pick your 2.
Because you don't know how to play.
So you don't know how to play.
Of course.
Why did you pick your 2? You're doing it. I'm not playing again. I'm not playing. Take your care. I'm not playing. You play yourself. I'm not playing.
Okay, don't put the card over here so you can play.
That was 1997.
Such a long time.
Yeah, very long time. In fact, that was when her company won an award, an international award in Birmingham.
Wow.
Yeah, family members, friends, where we should all travel. Look at them.
Such a nice smile.
Yeah. And that was the side engine I took. And since she passed, he has had no reason to smile.
You miss her, don't you?
Miss her? That's an understatement.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, you don't have to be. Life has to go on, just the way we were created. Only remember her by these pictures now. That's what life is all about. Yeah.
Sure. Nice.
Yeah. People who attended and so. Aha! That was in 1999 with the then president, Olusegun Obasanjo, in South Africa. This was a trade conference. I was part of the delegation. Yeah.
Nice.
Good.
You sure travel a lot?
Oh, yeah. Was my job demanded it then. Aha. See this? That's the Minister of Finance from Tanzania. And this one was at a seminar in Lagos. That's it. How time runs.
I'm telling you. See? Look at you.
Don't worry about. I used to be fine looking.
Yeah, you're still cute.
Aha! Tell me that again.
Hey. Welcome.
I'm not hungry.
He said you would intentionally drown yourself in work today.
Ole.
Your dad? I went to visit.
I am not hungry.
Eina. I know it's a Remembrance Day. But please, you don't have to weigh yourself down.
I can see he's been talking to you a lot.
Well, he has. He has nobody else to talk to. The only person he can talk to doesn't care. Nankim.
What did you call her?
Nankim. I know that's what she called you. Please, come and eat. I made you her favorite dish. Please.
Broken down and lying in bed, you lie beside me through it all. If I shut you out when you let me in,
This is is her favorite dish. You're going to enjoy it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no, you don't make it easy.
See? Told you.
That's fine.
This is enough. And then I put some meat. Eat. You're welcome.
Aren't you going to eat?
No, don't worry. I'll watch you eat. Oh, Doug. Okay, you want to start with the meat first?
So you're going to tell me what?
Oh, sorry. I can't wait for you to taste this food. Nice.
Really nice.
See? Enjoy. So you enjoy it. Oh, gosh.
Person go dey knock now, you no go open door fast. What you dey do inside?
I don't understand. I was going to call your boss, like, they said you were coming.
Wetin happen? Are you not happy to see me? Which one become my boss?
You were supposed to go for 1 week.
Yeah.
Then what are you doing here?
Why I no go there? The thing wey carry me go, I don't finish am. I mention your popsi name, eh? Things just dey so. Guy, your popsi get leg, go alive. I'm telling you. But the thing wey carry me go, 4 days, you don't finish am. I say my son.
And then you couldn't just go into another place.
I get land for Nasarawa. Why I don't come back?
Then why don't you just go to Safara?
Come. You dey pursue me. Which kind talk be
I
this?
dey pursue you. You dey stress me.
I dey stress you.
Yes.
I no blame you now. You cook food, I dey hungry.
Now your own be that.
Who go even say me even help me carry box? Which kind of person be this?
First time I set my eyes on you, in my heart on you, my whole world brand new.
Drink up. Wait, what? You know you have to finish this. You know that, right?
You know I'm trying, right?
Drink. Drink. Because I'm the one who walked in the rain. You're the one about to catch a cold. Can you imagine?
Maybe because I hugged you, you know, I absorbed all the cold from your body.
Oh, sure. Cold absorber. Drink up. God, you're so dramatic. Drink.
What's inside this thing?
Just some cloves, ginger, garlic, and a teaspoon of honey. That's all. It's not even bitter.
The body's hot.
It should be hotter than that.
I'm just gonna drink a little more.
Just take something. That's right. That's it. That's it, Papi. Nice. What? What is it? Stop acting. Oh, you eh? Sorry.
I'm fine.
Wait, good.
I even feel better right now. Great.
You're so dramatic. You'll feel good, don't worry. Sorry.
Yeah. Thanks.
So how's your dad?
My father is fine.
I know it's not in my place to say this, but I feel like you should give your dad a chance.
Father, please, let's not do that, okay? Please.
No, Aina, please, don't look at me. Don't you think it's time? Don't you think it's time to let go of all this?
You don't understand. You don't know what that man did to my mother.
Keep saying this time and time, yet you don't want to talk about what transpired between both of you.
Maybe it's what he didn't do that I don't want to talk about. He neglected my mother. He stopped caring. He stopped showing her love. That woman died a lonely woman because of him. How am I supposed to forget that?
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. So sorry about what happened. But do you want him to die a lonely man?
He has my sister. He has Jamal. It's good.
No. Aina. It is different. They're not the same thing. They may sound as the same, but it is not. Father is a formal term. But dad carries warmth. It carries memories, connection. It is what we use to feel loved and understood. Look, all I'm trying to say is, you should extend some grace to him. Remember, it is his first time here on earth. First time of him being a man, a father to you, and a husband to your late mom. Look, I know you have some attachment to certain names and you don't want them around.
I do.
Yes, you do. Like Dad, Sunshine. You have never called me by my name. You have never called me Sunshine.
That's because Sunshine is a special name. It's not common. I don't think it should just be thrown around like that.
Yeah, I understand.
Of course I do. Simply means I am not special
No,
enough.
no. That's not what I mean. Of course, you're special.
Am I?
Yes, Sunshine. You're special to me.
All I'm trying to say is, you should extend some grace to him. Remember, it is his first time here on earth. First time of him being a man, a father to you, and a husband to your late mom.
Hey, what's up? I just got back from work an hour ago. How far? What? An accident? Where? What happened? Oh my goodness. I'm coming. I'm coming right away, okay? Yes, I'm coming. Okay, there. Jesus. Oh my God.
Okay, that's so.
Easy.
Where they go now? Go here. Don't go inside.
I'll sleep on bed now.
Me for chair now. Try yourself. Come on, go inside.
Your strong head is too much.
One after my beast. A small bike accidents. Then you do that. Say no person.
Small bike accident that you were almost looking like you were crying. Eh? Remove the slippers. Remove the shoe. Remove the shoe.
I'm not kick the leg. We.
I thought you said it was small accident, sir.
Okay. You give me remove my watch too. It sounds. Take. Change that for me. See you now.
Would you like to eat something?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm fine on the phone. CNN, put CNN, this guy.
Mr. Ying, I would like to eat something.
No, I'm good.
Yes. We'll go drop your bag inside.
Oh, you see, why this house the odds? Everywhere just the odds.
I've only said any.
Can you call this girl?
I know. I told her, we're just talking casually on the phone next, and I told her that you had an accident, and she came over.
Eh,
Yes, man.
great guy. I like it, I like that.
Take a pussy in it.
Al Jazeera. Who Al Jazeera? Sorry, BBC.
I'll take. I want to go and change. She say you're okay.
Small pamper, when go pamper me night.
Go buy Pampers. Okay, the Pampers.
Not for you.
See. Your teeth not good. Now your leg not good.
Please listen to some. Bless you. Bless you. Please, you can kiss him. Well, brain eyes block, oh. Go for this leg. They pain.
Hey! What's up, Jamal? You need something?
Hold back, please. I'm not an invalid. Okay?
No.
Are you working?
Yeah. I have a mood board I'm supposed to send to a client. Since I didn't come with mine, I'm using a Nazon.
Okay. Listen, Fola, I just wanted to say thank you.
Thank you. For what?
I mean, since I messed up my leg and landed in the hospital, you literally have been taking good care of me, so thank you.
Jamal, please. What is wrong with you? You have cared for me for months. Okay? This is me reciprocating your kindness.
Thank you. So, how has work been so far?
Just give me a moment, please. Let me send this mail to this client. I'm coming.
Right. Oh, God, this leg of mine.
Yep. So, where were we? What were you saying?
I was just saying, how's work been? So,
Oh, it's been amazing. I had the best and the biggest clients in this industry.
really?
I'm telling you, the love, everything has been so real. Like, I can't even wrap it off my head.
That's amazing. That means they're paying a lot of money, right?
Huge money.
Really?
Huge, very huge.
So what's your record? Like, how much do you charge this year? In dollars and pounds and yeah.
No, you can't be in dollars now. It has to be in cash. Well, I'm still working on it. That's the article I just sent to them now. So
Right.
hopefully he gets to it and tells me, oh, okay, well, how much do you want to charge me? I'll just tell him, we can pay like 5 million upwards. So.
Oh, that's nice.
I mean,
that's some
it's
good
okay.
money. I mean, that's
For a start,
For a
like,
start, yeah.
yeah.
For a new one. But here it's very difficult to like deal with like artisans and people you work with. Like
Sure.
decorators and vendors can be a lot.
Sure.
My friend used to do events and things she told me crazy.
Well, I'm managing the show. We're getting there.
And it's good. Right? It's looking up.
Yes.
Brother man,
Fine, boys.
have fun now.
Jail. My phone.
What's going on?
Sunshine left this morning.
Fola.
Gonna take me a while to be able to call her that, you know. She's a rare fine.
Okay.
What do you mean by okay? You know, stop that. You and I know you love that girl.
Fola.
Bruh, ever since you saw that girl, right after the hospital, you have been in love with her. Always just wanted to care for her.
Oh, you love her too, don't you?
But it was for selfish reasons. Bruh, listen, when I went to Nassau for that deal, it ended the next day. But I extended my stay intentionally so that both of you could, get to know each other better and have a conversation. And quite frankly, I needed that time to sort of like reflect on my life and choices, to be fair.
What choices?
I mean, you would think that for someone who grace was extended to, that they would extend that same hand of grace to someone else. But no, they always seem to forget where they're coming from.
Okay, what are we talking about now?
Please don't. You and I know. Okay. Your family picked me up from the streets, cleaned me up, gave me a new lease to life, gave me their surname, heck, all their names. And I'm here, pissed and irritated that someone who I thought was something isn't what she is. Listen, in Nasarawa, I told myself that I was going to be a better person, and I'm working on that.
Okay, listen.
Let me finish. Okay. Aina, I'm saying all this to say that you're a lover. Okay, and it's okay, you love hard. I mean, anybody who sees us won't even believe or know that there's a 4-year difference between myself and you. And I'm saying all this to say that I think that Fola is the perfect person for you. So please don't lose her. Don't let someone else take that gift from you.
Thanks, bro.
Okay.
I'm not going to sleep on it, but I'm going to take it one step at a time.
Yes, you should.
I got you, man.
Only you get 3 phones. Where you go? Now 4 safe, do you?
At least I'll make sure I check my time, but not the way you're limping now. Huh?
Don't worry. You go limp. Okay. This is so good. I've been eating rubbish since. But like,
Jamal, I've been the one cooking.
I don't call anybody name. I don't call anybody name. Good chop spaghetti. I be no job.
I'm not serious.
You know cooks well, Jamal. Jamal.
Of course.
Thank you.
They expect that you support me. Support him.
Because you don't know how to cook. This your event. What is it about?
It's a client sistered. According to everyone in the office, they said she has always been a returning client. Practically like family to my boss.
Okay, nice.
They actually gave us cards to attend as guests.
As guests, are you guys not even planned?
I don't know, they just want us to be there, especially our boss. It's not going to take no for an answer, so we just have to be there. A few of us, though.
But how is that supposed to work?
We're going to be on ground very early in the morning so that we can just coordinate things, make sure things are in place, and quickly dash home to get ready and return. That's why I said I was going to spend the night here, because going home is a no-no.
I mean, I would have taken you and been your chauffeur for the day, but I have work to do. And by the time I'm done, it'll be too late for you.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's a Sunday now, right? I can drop you off.
Oh, you guys are so sweet. Don't worry, it's fine. The client's son said he's gonna like pick me up and drop me off. He's actually a very cool person.
Voila. Noves, their son.
Yeah, the one always attending meetings on behalf of his parents. He's a cool guy, he's chilled. And we get along real quick, so he doesn't have a problem coming to pick me up and drop me off.
Sorry. Won't he be busy on the day? I mean, he's their son, right?
Same thing I asked him. He said, nah, I was standing with the guy. He's gonna come and pick me up.
Eh. Okay. I mean, if he's good with it, I think we're good with it as well. I don't have an issue with it.
Okay.
Abby? We don't have problem.
Yeah.
You can come. Hi.
Hey, John. Welcome.
Thanks, sir.
How's work?
Work was good. Has Aina left his room, sir?
Is he home?
He hasn't left his room since. Yes, when I was coming in, he was going out.
Oh, I thought he went to see his dad for a work meeting.
Yeah.
Is he okay?
Sunshine, listen, I don't know if this is my place to say.
Jamal, what's wrong?
Aina discovered something that has just put him in some sort of funk since he found out. His relationship with Dad has been strained for years because he thought that Dad was unkind to Mom when she was alive. And it turns out that he thought wrong. And he's just been, it's been nasty to Dad for no reason. So it's put him in some sort of funk, I guess.
My God, this is so sad. Can I go see him?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You want to ask?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Can I come in? Are you crying?
I messed up big time. I misjudged him.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. It's not okay. Do you know my mom had an affair? She got pregnant. And yet he stayed with her.
Did he say why he stayed?
For love. Plus she was an orphan. So he felt responsible for her.
So, who is this baby?
Adana.
Oh.
Apparently, the reason why she was isolated was because of her guilt, not him.
But you said it was him.
That's what I thought, because he traveled a lot, so I thought he was running away from something. Apparently, he was just trying to mask himself from the pain.
And he never showed it.
Do you know that he cared for Adana? He loved her so much. Sometimes I accused him. I said he loved her more than he loved me.
Does your sister know about this?
She found out after my mom died. She read her diary. She confronted my father. And he said to her not to let me know. This man was willing to go to the grave with the information, with the truth. And I was there, disrespecting him, just being angry for no reason. Totally messed up.
No, you didn't. You didn't, okay? Thank God you still have time to make up for the lost years. You cannot keep rereading the same chapter. You have to move on to the next chapter. You can't be stuck. Alright? You need to move past this and embrace this new coming chapter of yours. Okay? Then I don't like seeing you hurt.
Last time.
Go back and buy it.
Hey, I just a pity you.
Well, my nice, I
the pity you, guy.
You know, we pick. Okay, come be tricked on this. I can't listen. I'll do that thing.
Okay, at some point, you guys have to stop staring and tell me how I look.
I mean, you look stunning. That's what happened. Word.
Thank you. And you?
Should they ask you? Huh?
Okay, keep it. I will see you guys when I'm back. Alright? Bye.
Guy. Hey, that bim, the sound of that motor no sound like Corolla. It not really sound like Corolla. Hey, Aina. Baba. If you see the machine, they can't pick this girl. What's wrong, so? That black one, Phantom. My brother is taking it one step at a time, but somebody else is taking it one ride at a time. Chai. This life no balance, so, but it's well. Play now.
Well, I know to play again.
Let's hear. That follow this girl talk. Follow them. Follow and talk. Tell her your mind. Eh? They take her one step at a time. Beleo, trading sparks. Oh, yeah, come back now. Sorry, no verse. Eh? Back are fine.
Ina.
Huh? So? Hey, you're back.
Yes, I am.
How was your event?
Fun-filled. We stayed back to receive payment from the remaining vendors. I would have texted back, but my phone went off.
I see.
Have you been here?
Yeah, I was just trying to stay up to make sure that you're okay.
I'm good. Come, let's go upstairs. Let's go.
Wait. Fola.
Okay.
Fola. I'm in love with you.
You're probably still sleepy. Let's go.
Fola, listen. Look at me. I'm awake. I'm not feeling sleepy. Ever since the first day that I saw you at the hospital, all I've always wanted to do was protect you, take care of you, be there for you. I didn't know how much I felt for you till the other day at your house.
But you never said anything. I thought the kisses we had were just mere kisses that meant nothing to you.
There's no just with you. Fola Shadi, I have fallen in love with you and I don't want to stand.
I have fallen in love with you as well, Aina. God knows I have been waiting for you to say something to me. Do you want to go to bed now?
If only you're coming with me.
Please.
What are you wearing?
Oh, my feet were hurting, so Tim just gave me his slippers.
Tim, the Rolls Royce guy, right?
What?
I mean, Jamal saw the car when he came to pick you.
Oh, no. You're not serious. No, it's not what you think. He just gave me his
Wait, let me see the slippers.
No, it's his...
Let me see. Hold on. Let me
It's
see.
his slippers.
Yeah, it's the slippers. Look at them. What is this? I'm the only one allowed to give you oversized slippers. Now let's go to bed.
I'm not serious. Oh my God.
Even when I close my eyes, I realize you're the colors of true love. You're the rhythm that makes me whole. My world is all about you. Ooh, this is love. This is love. Ooh, this is love. This is love, this is love. Ooh, this is love. Ooh, this is love, this is love. Ooh, this is love. This is love, this is love. Ooh, this is love.
Jamal Koko.
Daddy.
My boy.
Deza.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm very well.
Good to see you.
Same here. Good to see you, bro.
Good afternoon, Daddy.
My own Fola.
Sir. Good evening, sir.
My own Fola.
Sir.
Please sit.
Thank you.
It looks like both of you were in the neighborhood.
Nope. We came to see you. Actually came to visit you. And in fact, we're spending a weekend with you.
Weekend.
Exactly. The weekend.
So where are your bags?
The bags are already inside.
Hey, in. Isokwa.
Eh.
Hello, Dad.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, Daddy, I'm talking to you. Daddy,
Hey, man.
I'm sorry.
Shukuk Kabiama. When they say wonders shall never end, this is my own wonder. And you're my son. Always and forever.
Always, Daddy.
I should join this. I should join this one. I should join it.
To God be the glory.
Let's sit. And Sunshine,
Sir?
you go get more glasses.
Okay.
Let them join me.
Okay, sir. Right away.
Oh, yeah. You can see. I got this my last trip.
Okay.
It's quite smooth.
Oh my God, that guy, he literally, he thought he was a...
He once asked me a question. He said, "Why don't I call you Sunshine?" The reason why I never called you Sunshine, I would have loved to call you Sunshine, but then the name is taken. It's not personal to me. So I said to myself, I need to find a name that only I will call you if you agree to marry me. Folashade, Sunshine Peters. You're God's gift to me. You are that miracle come true. You remind me that beautiful things come in special packages. And I want to grow old with you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you, making babies, hitting milestones, achieving as many things as possible. You know, when I look at our future together, I'm so excited. It's filled with so much love, joy, peace of mind. Folashade, make me the luckiest man on earth by saying yes to me. Please, marry me.
I would never say no to peace of mind. Babe, nah. Wait.
What?
Come here, sir.
Like that?
Yeah.
When did you plan all this? When?
Let's just say that
You left some 4 hours ago, you know.
I have some very responsible and reliable friends.
You. So, what name can you give to me now?
I'm gonna call you mine.
And I'm yours forever.
Forever and ever.
I love you.
I love you more.
You know, when did you even get balloons? Oh, you got me designer at last! Oh my God! You got me Gucci, baby!
Everything here is for you.
You, baby!
Oh, yeah. Come on. Darling. You must understand the Igbo culture. You don't put 3 kola nut in a plate.
Yes.
Or I remind you. So I will remove 1. Not 2. or 4? When it's 4, it means it's an important occasion. 5, 7, Akikenga. We're not just here to break on a knot. We're here to invoke the blessings of Chukwu on this union. John and Dan there, can they hear us? Okay. Oje bekono. Onye wetara oji. Asị na o weta ndụ, mana ndụ dị n'aka Chukwu ga-abịa amasị. Anyị ji ọjị a na-ekene gị. Chukwu kere n'igwe ke ife niile, ke mmadụ niile nọ n'ụwa. Wee kee anyị abụrụ mmadụ. Asị na ọ masịkwa Chukwu, o kee ka anyị abụrụ ndanda. Mana asị na o kere anyị abụrụ ndanda, ndị mmadụ wụrụ okwu nsogbu anyị. O kere anyị wee kpochapụ okorobịa dịka gị. Agbọghọbịa dịka gị maa mma. Asị na ya gaziela unu. Nke ọ bụla tinyere aka bụ ife ọma ya gazie. Ọjị agbụkwa na ife ọya gbaa anyị jikwa ya na-ekene Igbo Chineke na-asị ya gaziela anyị ncha niile. Ọ ga-agazi anyị n'Eke, gazi anyị n'Oye, gazi anyị n'Afọ, gazi anyị na Nkwụ. Na Chukwu Okike abịa ma kere eluigwe, kee ndagwurugwu, kee ụzọ, kee ama, kee mmadụ, kee mmụọ. Ụmụsị ya ka anyị na-agọrọ ya ọjị. Onye bụ etu a ka anyị si ebe ebele. Asị m, etu a unu kwetere na oge anụ dị na nwunye. Ọ ga-adịla unu mma. Ụbọchị Eke, ọ ga-adịla unu mma. Ụbọchị Afọ, ọ ga-adịla unu mma. Ụbọchị Oye, ọ ga-adịla unu mma. Ụbọchị Nkwọ, ọ ga-adịla unu mma. Na-ekwu na-asị ise. Nke a bụ aka ọjị m. Anyị na ya were ọjị. In our culture, a woman does not put her hand in the plate to take kola nut. Jamal,
So,
nwoke bụ onye ndu. Na ịkwado ife a anyị mere tata, ị ga-abụ onye ndu, a leader. You lead, your wife follows. But you lead with wisdom. You lead with love. That's what God has made you. Birota naga. Afa ga abụ opianoju. Maka na ife sibilita to na abụ is because you made it happen. Mana chetekwe dibu ugwu nwanyị. The woman's pride is her husband. You must give him that respect. That is when there will be harmony in the home. I got to go here. So now, Oga, the lion man Eke, the lion man Oye, lion man Afo. I live on Afo. See that guy's here. If I ain't got no Oje, look, if I ain't got no Maya. Niche. For the way, Oga's here around here. Let's go and eat food.
I don't look with the time to eat food. No, but
Okay. Adam, we'll talk later. Let's join me here. Let's eat. Get it.
Mrs. Folashade Sunshine Obianuju Ikoku.
Not yet.
What do you mean not yet? Something that Chief has already blessed. There's no blessing greater than this, you know.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
I love you, baby.
And I love you too.
if it's your things, girl.
You know what? Why don't we just ditch lunch and get out of here?
Right. Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah, let's just do it. Daddy, we'll be
right back.
We'll be right back,
Let's just
Daddy.
check. Sam, we're coming.
We're coming.
Okay.
Yes, we just want to check.
First time I set my eyes on you, made my heart turn new, my whole world brand new. First time I look into your eyes, my heart finds a home. With you I'm never alone. I don't really understand